Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking on Prosper personal loan. So we're going to be reviewing Prosper personal loan. So if you need $2,000 to $50,000 quickly, but your credit isn't perfect, today we are going to review Prosper, the original pay-to-pay loan platform, and I'm going to show you if it is legit, what you should expect from Prosper. All right, so let's break it down. Now, Prosper Marketplace is one of the first US peer-to-peer lending platforms, founded in 2005. That's 30 years ago, with over $27 billion facilitated in loans to more than 1.7 million customers as of 2025, right? And they offer unsecured personal loans ranging from $2,000 to $50,000. Now from here you can see that uh, under personal loan you can get up to $50,000. As you can see, an amount between $2,000 and $50,000. So if you are someone who needs an amount, say $2,000 and above, you can always come to Prosper platform to apply. All right. Now, of course, Prosper operates in most US states, uh, though West Virginia is exempted. Okay, so let's talk about the interest rates and fees for Prosper. So the APR ranges between 8.99% and 35.99%, depending on credit worthiness. All right, and origination fees range from 1% to 9.99%, deducted from the loan proceeds. Okay, then there is no prepayment penalty, so early payoff is allowed without extra cost. So um, another thing about the interest rates and fees is that late fees are the greater of $15 or 5% of the due amount, usually after a 15-day grace period. Okay, so if it is greater than $15, okay, that will be applied. So late fees is the greater of $15 or 5% of the due amount, usually after a 15-day grace period. So you're given a grace period of 15 days. All right. So let's talk about eligibility and co-borrower option. Okay. Now, when it comes to Prosper, borrowers typically need a credit score of around 600 plus, with better chances above 640. Okay, that's number one. Then another thing you want to look at when it comes to eligibility Prosper personal loans is that co-borrower option is available, which can improve approval odds and lower rates by combining profiles. Okay. Also, borrowers must be 18 plus and US resident, have a social security number and a US bank account. So these are the requirements or what make you to be eligible for a loan on Prosper. All right. Now let's talk on the funding speed and pre-qualification. So when it comes to Prosper personal loans, there is such pre-qualification which is available that won't in any way affect your credit score. All right. So from here you can just enter the amount you want, then you click to see your offer. You get to see your rate, what rate will apply to you. Okay, so you can always do the pre-qualification, the source pre-qualification to know, okay, to know your fate. Yeah. Now, after approval, funding can occur in as little as one business day. Though many sources note a typical timeline of 3 to 3 days. All right, so between 1 to 3 business days, you can be sure that you will get funded. Now, applications may be reviewed for up to 5 business days, depending on investor funding availability. Now, let me even show you the types of loans that Prosper offer, because Prosper um, loans offering is not limited to a personal loan. So when you come here, you will see they offer personal, they offer uh, business loans, they offer student loans, they offer special occasion loans as well. All right, so um, now when you or someone is coming up or is coming to Prosper to get something um, relating to business loan, your application may get reviewed up to 5 business days before approval. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages. Now the advantages of Prosper is: one, low minimum score or equivalent of 600 or 600 plus, flexible model for fair credit. Okay, but its advantage to that is high max APR, which is uh, you know almost 36%. I mean, approximately 36% for lower credit borrowers. But another advantage is that joint or co-borrower is allowed. Okay, but another disadvantage is origination fee reduces net funds received. But again, it's an advantage. There is no prepayment penalties, but there is rigid repayment terms, and you cannot change terms once set. So that's one disadvantage. The repayment terms is very much rigid, so you can't change terms once everything is set. So that's a disadvantage. Then another advantage of Prosper is there's transparent eligibility and lending process. On the other hand, many investor match not guaranteed. It take several days, so that's a disadvantage. All right. So, and lastly, one of the advantages of Prosper is A plus BBB rating. Okay, but on the other hand, there is missed online reviews, wallet up average 2.4 of 5-star reviews. Okay, so that is that. Now, what is my recommendation? My recommendation when it comes to Prosper loans is that it is best for fair to good credit borrowers of, say, um, greater than 600, or equal or greater than 600 score, credit score. We need emergency loans between $2,000 to $50,000, and can with a couple of days for funding. Okay, because it's in some cases it takes 24 hours to get funded, but in most cases it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Then co-borrower feature helps those with limited credit. However, you can consider alternatives if you need faster funding, zero upfront fees, or have excellent credit. Okay, you can check Livestream or Social Finance for that. Alright, so that is my take on Prosper personal loans. If you've got any questions, concerns, you can put it in the comment section. I'm gonna answer your question in the comment section, and if you've used it before, you can also share your experience. All right, thank you. If you like the video, like it and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in my next video.